Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Lost Soul Aside game not launching, freezing, black screen, lagging, low FPS, not launching, not loading, crashing or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. Here the first step is to check system requirements. So before you play the game, make sure you check the system requirements of the game. So for that, go to Steam and then go to the store page and type the game and then go below, and here you can find the system requirements to play the game on your system. So make sure you follow the requirements to play the game, and after that try to launch the game and see if it works. If not, next is to modify launch option. So go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you need to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, type -dx12 and then try to play the game and see if this solution helps to fix the issue. Next solution is to update graphics card. So for that, go to Windows search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. So it will tell if there is any update or is already installed. So after updating your graphics card, check if the problem is fixed. Nvidia and AMD user, just go through the link that I have provided in the description and update your graphics card and then try to launch the game and see if it works. Next is to delete temp files. So for that, you need to press Windows plus R, type temp and then click on OK, and from here you need to simply select all and then delete option. So this will delete the temp files, and after deleting it, now see if the issue is fixed or not. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings, and after that search for the game over here. If it is listed, see if it's listed already, but if you can't find the game over here, simply click on allow another app, then click on browse, and after that go to the folder where your game has been installed, select it and add it to the list over here. After adding it, select it and then make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After this, launch the game and see if this solution helps you. Next is to rename or delete the config folder. What you need to do is first go to file manager, then here you need to click on users, then click on your folder. After that, look for saved games. If it is not here, you simply need to click on view and then show, and after that click on hidden items. So this will show the folder that is hidden if you can't find it, and if you find it, then simply click on saved games. Now click on the folder, then click on saved, and here you can see config. So you simply need to delete it or simply you need to rename it, anything, and after that launch the game and see if this solution helps to fix the issue. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to Windows search for check for updates, and here you have to click on check for updates option if it is available, and if any Windows update is there, simply update your Windows and after that try to launch the game and check if it resolves the issue. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on installed files, and here click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to library section on Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then go to the installed files, click on browse option over here. This will take you to the game folder. Select your game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. After that, try to launch the game. If it works, then fine. Otherwise, click on run this program in compatibility mode for. Select Windows 8 or Windows 7, then click on apply and OK and see if this works. If not, click on disable full screen optimization and then hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and see if this solution resolves the issue. Next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam and in the above click on Steam option, then click on settings. After that, go below, click on downloads, and after that here you need to click on clear cache beside clear download cache option. So after clearing the cache, now check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to taskbar settings, click on here, then click on task manager. After that, under processes tab, you need to search for the apps that is of no use or running in the background or consuming high resources. Simply select it. After selecting it, right click on it, click on end task, and this will close the app that is running in the background completely. Once done, launch the game and see if this works. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, you need to go through the link that I provided in the description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser. After pasting it on your browser, now go below and here you have to download the Visual C++ files on your PC. After downloading, install it and then try to launch the game and check if this solution helps to resolve the problem. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus program installed on your PC, simply you need to disable it and then try to launch the game. Hopefully this solution will surely fix the issue, because many times the antivirus program that is enabled stops you from playing the game or interrupt in between the game and you cannot play the game further. So you are suggested to disable such antivirus program and after that try to launch the game and see if this solution helps. Next solution is to install DirectX on your system. For that, go through the link I have already given in the description. Just open it. After opening it, you simply need to click on download option, and after it is downloaded, you simply need to click on it to install, and once you install it, now launch the game and check if this solution resolves the issue. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, open Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now in under general, here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game. You simply need to click on it and it will be disabled. After disabling the overlay of Steam, now check if the issue is resolved. The same thing you have to do for G4 experience. Simply open it, click on general and switch off in-game overlay. For Discord overlay, open user settings, go to game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. So after this, launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to search option, search for graphics settings. After that, search for the game over here. If it's not listed, don't worry, simply click on add desktop app. Now go to the game where it has been installed. Open it now. Here you can see on the select the game application and then click on add option over here. After adding it, now go below and click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you need to select high performance, and after this launch the game and see if this solution resolves the issue. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall option. So after uninstalling the game, restart your PC, and after it restart, after reinstall the game once again and then try to play the game and see if this solution helps to fix the issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.